Okay, here we are back with another handbag review. This is going to be the Louis Vuitton Diane bag. This retails on Louis Vuitton's site for $2,620, I believe. Don't quote me. Go look at the link. I'll have it below. I could be wrong on those numbers, but pretty much almost $3,000 when you get tax going. Pretty penny for this bag. It's kind of a petite baguette style bag, if you will. Something I feel like is really enjoyable for someone like me who enjoys a good bag and fashion, but I also have 2 kids and my hands are constantly busy. So I can easily go from crossbody to shoulder bag. I can go from day to night. Just easily accessible and wearable. Also really great quality and stiff, if that makes sense. Kind of holds its shape. So really easy to plop on a table or put things in and be able to find them when you open it, because it's not a softer material that will kind of jumble itself around. This bag was gifted to me by, I'm not going to even try to butcher the company name. I will link it below, but they kindly gifted me this bag. And if you were to purchase from their website, this is a replica, by the way. Now, if you were to purchase this from this website, they are going to give it to you for $168 with everything that you see here, or you can get $20 off of the purchase, so $148 just without the box. It'll still be wrapped and packaged and completely safe and cared for, just like you see here, but they will just forego that Louis Vuitton box. That being said, I do have a discount code as well, so that takes another percentage off for you at checkout. That goes for anything that you buy on the site. So if you want to get yourself a matching wallet, a belt, anything else to go with, or this is your first time purchasing from them and you just want to try this beautiful bag, make sure you click the link below. Let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.